Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you want to format and publish your blog post by us, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can recover your WordPress blog password if you forget. Firstly, I want to log in my WordPress website. So I am giving my username and giving the password. Click on login and it said the password you entered for the username is incorrect. So I already lost my password. I don't know what is the password. So I need to recover that password. When you will face this situation, so you can click here, lost your password, this icon, or you can click here, lost your password. So click on lost your password. After that, they are asking for username or email address. So if you know your username, you can write your username here, or if you forget username also, then you can write your email address. So I am writing my email address here. And after that, click on get new password here. So click on get new password and it's saying check your email for the confirmation link, then visit login page. So I am checking my email. You see, I already received an email from my website. So I am opening that email. After that, here it's saying someone has requested a password reset for the following account: website name postuploader.com, username postuploader tutorial. After that, they wrote to reset your password, visit the following address. So you can directly click here or you can copy this address and paste it on new tab. From the WordPress, they are giving a new password. If you wish, you can use this password, or if you wish, you can generate another password. So if I click here, generate password, you see it's changing. If I click again, it's again changing. So as many times you will click, it will change. It will give you a new password. And if you wish, you can add few other extra character with this password, or if you wish, you can add completely new password. But if you add new password, must try to give a password with 12 to 16 character long and try to use uppercase, lowercase, number, special character, combination of all of those, and never try to use common password like 123456 or ABCD, something like this. Or even don't try to use any word or any sentence which we use frequently in our everyday life. So I want to use generate password option. So this is my password. I am going to click on save password, and if I click on login, this is my username and I want to give my password here and I'm login. Already I am login. So this is the way. If you forget your password or username, by following this tutorial, you can reset your password. Easily you can log in on your website. Today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.